Hi guys! Again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math with Teens. Guys, I'm here again. Of course, I teach you in math subject. Okay, we okay guys, let's have a short drill. And that we call Tell My Square. I know I can solve this, he said. Okay, number 1. 11 squared is 11 times 11 multiplying by itself, and the answer is 121. How about number 2? 12 squared, meaning 12 times 12 is 144. And 9 squared is 9 times 9, 81. And the fourth one is 8 squared, meaning 8 times 8 is 64. So that's only our examples of tell my square. Then guys, try to memorize the squaring number at least 1 to 30 to answer our next drill. Okay guys, before we proceed to our new lesson, let us recall our previous topic, and that is write in standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then identify the values of a, b, and c. Given x minus 4 quantity squared plus 8 equals 0. So, x minus 4 quantity squared means x minus 4 times the quantity of x minus 4 plus 8 equals 0. So, we use the FOIL method to get the product because x times x, x squared. The middle term, negative 4x, and also negative 4x is negative 8x. Then, negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16 plus 8 equals 0. Then we have x squared minus 8x, then 16 plus 8 is 24. So our a is 1, b is negative 8, and c is 24. Yes. Yes. Solving quadratic equation by extracting square roots. Guys, we are now in solving quadratic equation. So we have 4 methods. Our first method is by extracting square roots. Okay guys, it is said quadratic equations that can be written in the form x squared equals k can be solved by applying the following properties. The first is if k is greater than 0, so what are the numbers greater than 0? And that are the positive numbers. Then, x squared equals k has 2 real solutions or roots. Therefore, x is equal to positive and negative square root of k. You have 2 real solutions. The second one, if k is equal to 0, then x squared is equal to k has 1 real solution or root. Therefore, x is equal to 0. And the third one, if k is less than 0, so what are the numbers less than 0? That are the negative numbers. Then, x squared is equal to k has no real solution or roots. The method of solving the quadratic equation x squared equals k is called extracting square roots. Okay, sample number 1. Find the solutions of the equation x squared minus 16 equals 0 by extracting square roots. Our given is x squared minus 16 equals 0. Write in the form x squared is equal to k. Then we have x squared minus 16 plus 16 equals 0 plus 16 using addition property of equality. So we cancel negative 16 and positive 16, cancel this, and then become x squared is equal to 16. So, by extracting square root, we need to write square root sign both sides, and then we cancel squared and square root. So, we have x is equal to positive and negative square root of 16. So, 16 is a perfect square. So, we have x is equal to positive and negative 4. To check, substitute these values in the original equation. Okay, let's check. If your x is 4, x squared minus 16 equals 0, the original equation. Substitute 4 into x, so it becomes 4 quantity squared minus 16, and that we have 16 minus 16 equals 0. And also, if your x is negative 4, substitute negative 4 into x, so it becomes negative 4 quantity squared is 16 minus 16 equals 0. So, 0 is equal to 0. Both values x satisfy the given equation. So, the equation x squared minus 16 equals 0 is true when x equals 4 or when x is negative 4. Answer. The equation x squared minus 16 equals 0 has two solutions, and that is positive 4 or negative 4. Okay, did you understand, guys? Okay, example number 2. X squared equals 36. By extracting square root, we write square root sign both sides. So, it becomes square root of x squared is equal to square root of 36. Cancel the square root sign and squared, so that we have x is equal to positive and negative square root of 36. So, 36 is a perfect square. And we have now x is equal to positive or negative 6. So, we have two solutions. X is positive 6 or x is equal to negative 6. Okay, number 3 example. T squared is equal to 81. So, by extracting square root, we write square root sign both sides. So, it becomes square root of t squared is equal to square root of 81. And we cancel the square root sign and squared. So, the answer is t is equal to positive or negative square root of 81. 81 is a perfect square. So that our answer is t is equal to positive or negative 9. So we have two solutions. T equals 9 and t is equal to negative 9. Yay! So easy now. That's the end of our lesson for today. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the Math with Teens. God bless. Thank you.